Here's the update on my orchids, which I did a video a few weeks ago when I brought these two orchids from the supermarket, and I compared the prices of the garden centre. These are £6 each at Asda supermarket. I like them, so I brought them. This one out for a couple of years, and these two I brought them about 7-8 months ago, and it lost all its flowers. So when I brought them, I've done a video how can I revive them and make them grow new stems. So what I did was I took the I think it was about 3 of them, and I cut all the roots off, because when I looked at it, it was root bound. It didn't hardly have any bark chips in them. So when I did that, someone said I've killed them because I cut the roots off. Well, I didn't, and here is the proof. It's got a new stem, it grew a new stem, a branch here. It's got another branch here with the buds on it, and it's got another one growing here as well. Now this, I broke it, so I cut it off. I accidentally broke the head of the leaf. And same as this one. It's got a new branch. As you can see, it's forming a new buds here to flower. And this one had the disease, black spots on the flowers, so there was quite a few of them there, so I cut the flowers off, and I took it in the garden and I sprayed it with a washing up liquid. So far it's looking good. I think it's because I had the window open and the winds must have blown in some sort of a bacteria or fungus or aphids into the room. Same as this one, which I brought from the Asda. Like I said, I paid £6 each for these two. Well, in the garden centre I sold them for £17 each. And again, I cut the roots off and I repotted them. I should put a small clip of the video that I did where I was cutting the roots off. And like I said, some people said that I've killed them. Well, I haven't. And this one is growing a new branch here for flowering as well. And it's still got the some more flowers to flower, open up. The buds there should open up within a couple of days. And what I learned is don't overwater them. Water them once a month. Because when you go to the garden centre, you see them in the pots with a plastic covering, and they don't water them. So what I do is I use Miracle Grow, and just put half a teaspoonful into this water container, which is full of water, and I just give them just wet the bark that holds the roots together. And that's it. I'll go and put them back on the windowsill where they belong, and I should do an update on these again a couple of weeks time when these start to flower, to prove that what I did was the best way for these orchids. See the roots, they come out at the top here because they're like air. They don't need much water. Thanks for watching. See you next time.